Welcome to Mail Backup X. Backup Outlook.com emails to external hard drive. Worried about losing your Outlook.com emails? This video will guide you through the process of backing up your valuable messages to an external hard drive. Learn how to protect your email history and keep your data safe, even if the cloud goes down. The Ultimate Outlook.com Backup Guide. Save your emails to an external hard drive. Step 1. Please download and install the Mail Backup X application on your Mac. Please follow the link for install instructions. Install Mail Backup X Personal Edition on your Mac. Step 1. Download the DMG installer file from the Downloads page of our website. Step 2. Double-click on the DMG file to mount it. Click the icon for app to launch the setup wizard. Step 3. Click Continue to proceed with the installation of Mail Backup X Personal Edition on your Mac. Step 4. You can leave the installation location to default set or may choose Change Install Location to set your custom location for installing the app. It is recommended to leave it to default as set in the Installer under Applications folder on your Mac. Please click Install to proceed further. Step 5. You will be prompted for your Mac username and password by macOS to allow the installation to proceed further. Please enter your credentials and macOS will proceed with installation of software. Step 6. macOS will proceed with copying the files and configuring the app for use. Once done, you will notice the message installation was successful. Step 2. Once the installation is completed, launch Mail Backup X from the Applications Quick Launch menu. Step 3. You may start the fully functional trial run for 15 days or activate it if you have already purchased a license. Step 4. Please select the option to set up a new backup profile from the dashboard by choosing option, Set up a new backup. You may click My Backup Profiles on the left sidebar in Dashboard greater than and click Set up a new backup profile. Step 5. You will be presented options of popular mail clients supported by Mail Backup X. Choose Microsoft Outlook and proceed to next step. The app is intelligent to locate all installations on your system related to Microsoft Outlook, be it 2011, 2015, 2019 or Office 365. It will display the list of identities found. Please choose Main Identity for the version for which you would like to backup email data. Step 6. Mail Backup X will read and display the folder structure specified by you in Outlook Mac mail accounts. Please deselect the folders you would like to be automatically backupped from Outlook Mac 2011, 2015, 2019, Office 365. Click Continue to move to next step. Step 7. Now you are presented with advanced options like setting. Step 9. Outlook Mac Mail Backup Profile is set up and now your emails should have started to back up as per the options and settings you selected during the previous steps. After the progress bar is completed, you will notice a green check mark next to the status suggesting the mail backup is completed. Thanks for watching. For more information about mail backup, mail archiving, mail conversion and mail management, subscribe our channel Mail Backup X.